Meaning of grass widow.
Grass widow.
Grass widow.
Grass widow.
Grass widow. The term grass widow is an old-fashioned and somewhat derogatory term used to describe a woman who is divorced or separated from her husband. Historically, the term has been associated with women who were abandoned by their husbands and left to fend for themselves. Over time, the term has taken on a more general meaning to describe any woman who was unmarried or without a partner. Although the term is still in use today, it is considered outdated and offensive by many people. It is important to use respectful and inclusive language when discussing people's marital status.